Hello? Hello? What? I No, I know I don't have a gooseneck trailer. You Dude, it is 4 a.m. Look, no, I don't have a camper. What? Well, how did you get the Airstream into the swimming pool? Oh, because you thought the tractor floated. No. Skunk Ape, go to bed. Go to bed immediately and stop doing what you. Are you in Florida? You're watching Sasquatch Radio. I'm starting to run out of things to say because I'm bored. Good evening, caller. You're on the air on Sasquatch Radio. What do you have to say? Sasquatch, I'm coming to get you. Well, that is just disturbing. Bye. Hello? Um, what? On I-16. Um, yeah, no, tell her to call AAA. I, I couldn't tell you. I couldn't tell you. I don't know. I, I'm not near I-16. No, it's like an hour and a half away. Oh, just swing by and go get her. Because, wait, was she driving the old concrete truck? What? Look, man, this is the last time I'm going to drag you out of the fire like this. Don't do it. And stop giving that girl the keys to my concrete truck. Why? Who? Oh, no keys anymore. Because you hotwired it. Well, of course it's not a good mud bogging truck. It's half full of solid concrete. Yeah, no, it was cheap. Um, no, do not dynamite the back of that truck. I'll figure something out with it. I don't know. Look, get my fucking truck home and stop it. Just quit it. Put it back out there in the swamp. Let some hobo live in it, but don't drive it around. God, that thing is dangerous. You are listening to Sasquatch Radio, where the news breaks are completely fake because I think they're funny. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Sasquatch Radio, where the news is fake, the jokes are bad, and no one really knows what I'm talking about. Hello? Oh, hey, Lorenzo, what's up? Yeah? Oh, she did. And she left you at the bar. A rugby team. Look, man, when you're dating a younger chick, sometimes they get these wild hairs. You just kind of got to roll with the flow or get over it or leave her or whatever you're going to do. Reno. What the fuck are you doing in Reno? You're supposed to have some sound effects on my. Mary. Dude, she's a call girl. No, you didn't just meet her online. She straight stalked you, dude. No, she. How much is bail? Just, I don't know. I'll talk to my lawyer. Just don't call back. Hello? Yeah, I'll accept the charges. I mean, what is it, Skunk Ape? He did what? Well, how the hell did he get that many bees in the bar in the first place, man? I mean, what? Where did you find a beekeeper at 4 a.m.? Okay, what? Just never mind. Never mind. What are the charges? What are the charges? Right? Well, what did you bite them or something? Right, because you wouldn't get in because you're covered in bees. Well, did they take you to the hospital at least? Oh, that's where you've been the past week. Right. All right. Well, I'll tell you what. You chill out for a couple hours. I'll see what I can do on this end, and we'll lock it right down for you. Don't sweat it.